All right, here we go. Have a, let's see, what is she? Is a 15 Chevy Colorado. And we have no AC compressor operation. Charge is full. I checked, obviously it's full on charge. And I'm just making sure you know how everybody likes to wing a compressor at it. Someone said he needed a compressor. I said, okay, but let's, double check. Especially since I saw that. Right? Look at the fender. It's all banged up. Door crumples. So, as everybody can see, AC switch is off. All right. I come up to my meter. Just to double check. Need some millivoltage there. Got my, I know everybody's going to crucify me. I got my Phil's electric probe down there. Probing some wires. I know everybody's going to scream at me, but I'll put some liquid electrical. Make sure the wires are good. That leaves little itty bitty tiny holes in there anyway. So I'm not worried about that. So we'll come back in here. We will turn our AC button on. Come back out. Oh, would you look at that? 14.2. No compressor operation. Okay. Leads me to believe that the previous diagnosis was correct, that it needs an AC compressor. But, right, this just shows you simple stuff to check. I should really have it clamp down there, take a peek. I should probably load test the wires, make sure they can carry a load, which I will probably do. And then, run in and check for codes. And you can get a better view of the compressor through the wheel well here. But I just want to make sure, there's no high side pressure switch, nothing that's going to enable the compressor from turning on. But in general, as we can see, I have, fuse is good, relay's good, I have power down on the compressor. So we just load test it, make sure it's good, and compressor it is. Another start to another hot day. All right, and this is how I usually will load test something, depending on what kind of circuit. It's about 3.5, 4 amp headlight bulb, battery negative, and my probe down there. Got a nice spot where I can connect. So here we go. Let's see if our bulb lights up in our face. If I can get down there and give it a touchy. Ooh. Nope, can't get it. Alright, so as everybody can see, I have good power feed. Right, should carry load. So that's a. Alright, it's my load test. There's my bulb, my wire. I'm gonna go down and touch. Boom. I'd have to say, ground's good to the block for the compressor, and I have good battery power going down and the wires can carry a load. Alright, so there we know AC compressor is at fault. This is a diagnosis for everybody. Alright, update on the Chevrolet Colorado. I'd put the AC compressor on so everybody can see. Some nice vent temps there. And it's like teetering 95 to 100 in the shop with full humidity. To say she's working pretty well. Well, take a walk so everybody can see. Nice new compressor in there. She's spinning. Good to go. Vacuum down the system, get all the moisture out of it, blah blah blah. Make sure you add the correct amount of dye. And this one, he got lucky. No other components had to be replaced because nothing exploded, nothing internally failed. It was just, a clutch shorted out. So he got lucky with just a compressor.